Hi, thanks for stopping by. I hope you'll stick around and watch my unboxing. So, let me get my disclaimer out of the way. I know that my nails look terrible. I am waiting for my thumb to stop hurting before I go get it fixed. So, nail police, i.e. Kara, leave me alone. So, that's my one disclaimer for the night. And now, into today's unboxing. But we'll go back to the lip gloss of the day is Chanel number 712. I really like this color because it's sheer and it just gives you just a little bit of shine and it's perfect. I think it's amazing. T from Pink Butterfly Girl turned me on to this color, so thank you. And my bag of the day is actually none because I didn't leave the house, so I didn't have a bag today. And my scent of the day is actually from a sample I got from Tiffany & Co. This one is sheer. I really like this one. And I got the other one. I think it's just called Tiffany & Co. I'll just say, wah, wah, I'm just not 100% in love. It's nice, but it's not a me scent. So that's that. And then I also wanted to share, I have a valet tray. Oh shoot, hang on, I'll grab it for you. Sorry, I'm rusty. I have a valet tray from Coach and I think it's adorable. And I keep my compact mirrors inside. And I wanted one a little bit different, maybe a brown, but I couldn't find the brown Coach one because they weren't available when I checked. And I found this one on Etsy and they did a custom imprint for me. And I like it, but it's just, I wasn't expecting the leather to be just raw on the edges like that. I thought it would be more like the Coach one with a, a glazing or something on it. So it's not that I don't like it, it's just not exactly what I was expecting. So it is nice, but I think I'm just going to keep sunnies in it or change or something. So there's that. And then we're going to go to Louis Vuitton. And inside is a Starbucks mug from one of my favorite people in Louis Vuitton. Went on vacation and brought me back a Starbucks mug. And that was so thoughtful. Thank you. And this is my husband's. He is not a luxury lover. When I say he is not, I actually mean it. He has his own hobbies, so they don't include, name brand anything. He's the guy who could, yeah, he's that guy. He's that guy that you're like, dude, put on something nicer. Every once in a while he will, turn it on for me, but not too often. So he travels for work. I mentioned that before, and he went on a business trip. So I got him something awesome, and I snuck it into his suitcase with a note, of course. I won't read the note because it's private, but I got him a Louis Vuitton lanyard in the damier graphite. Oh, I think that's what it's called. Monogram graphite. I think that's what it's called. But he loved it and he didn't make me return it. I was surprised because he's the type of guy, he'll go, no, that costs too much, take it back, for himself. But if it's for me, he won't care. So I got him a lanyard for flexing at work. Okay. And then on to what I bought online. I wanted to try it and I had seen, I think it was Yota style. Hi Yoda, we need to talk. She had this. It is the Kristen Louboutin. I believe there are 7 different perfume samples inside. And I've been dying to try it, so I bought this at, I believe it was Nordstrom's. And, ooh, I almost showed you the wrong side, so I am rusty. This was a very lovely Mother's Day card from my Gucci salesperson. Oop, I won't read it to you. Okay. And it came with a card inside. So the card and the envelope are both plantable. So I'm going to get a rectangular pot and some dirt and plant it and see what flowers bloom from it. It's so adorable. I thought that was the coolest thing ever. It's responsible, beautiful, and an awesome gift. So there's that. Now on to Tiffany's. This is the new perfume from Tiffany & Co. and it is called Rose Gold. It smells absolutely amazing. I mean, just absolutely. My Tiffany SA May, she called me and said, hey, we have a new scent coming in. Why don't you come by and grab a sample? I was like, okay. So I was going to the mall anyway. So I slid in and got a sample and I was like, nope, give me the bottle. Give me the biggest bottle. I love it. I haven't opened it, but let's see what it looks, what the bottle shape is. Actually, I didn't care what the bottle looked like because I just wanted that scent. But let's open it together. Oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Oh, and it has the, she did mention that, it has the notes written, etched in rose gold, etched in the rose gold background. It's really nice. Smells amazing. You could smell it in the box. Awesome. Oh my God. This is going to rival my On the Beach. Definitely. 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 So let me go back to my husband. He is such a non-luxury person. So if I get him to purchase something luxury for himself, it's a miracle. And, you know, I guess the Lux God shined on me because he agreed to get something with me. And I was like, really? Are you drinking or something? But no, even the next day he agreed to it and he holds his word. So, Gucci. And I want to mention that when you order online with Gucci, you get a free Gucci tote bag. It's something cool to go to Costco with, you know. It's not, you know, I'm going to use that every day cute, but it's like, you know, if you're going to Costco or you have to have a tote in your car or something like that. And they actually gave me 3. So, because we have 4 items and 2 came in 1 box. So whatever you order per box, you get 1 free tote bag. So there's that. And I'm going to open the first one. And this one is his. So I hope you guys are playing that Gucci Gang song in your brain, because that's what I'm doing. Cute dust bag. And he got the Gucci bucket hat. So that is for him. He is either a ball cap or a bucket hat guy. He really is. He's not the type for a fedora or anything like that. But yeah, it's really nice. And he got a extra large. Yeah. But he doesn't have hair. He just has a big head. So that one is his. You know, I'll just set it here. And then the next one is something that we got. Okay, if you've watched my channel more than once, you know I love the term matchy-matchy. I don't care who says it's corny. I don't care who says only old people do that. I could give 0 you-know-whats about what anybody else has to say, because we got a matchy-matchy. So I'm happy. And matchy-matchy shoes. I'm excited. And actually, are these mine or his? These are mine. shoes from Gucci. So let me open his. I wanted to get matching, tie-up sneakers, kind of like my Louis Vuitton sneakers, but then I was kind of like, I already have that type of lace-up shoes, and he didn't want that style. But when we saw the boat shoes, he was like, oh, those are super cool. So he agreed to get matchy-matchy with me. So clearly, one is bigger than the other. I just got mine from the men's section. That way, they would be the exact same, style. Because, sometimes the men's look a little bit different from the women. So we got matchy-matchy. And if he agrees to take a picture, I will post it on Instagram or something. But we'll see, because he is Captain Private. So there we go. And my last unboxing is the big one. Sorry, it's warm tonight. I think it's like 89 degrees in Hawaii, and it is probably 9 o'clock at night. So if I'm sweating, it is hot in here. I'm sorry. And the AC makes too much noise to, run while I'm talking to you. So this one is mine. The big one, of course, the big one. And I got a Gucci hat. But I didn't want the exact same one as his. I wanted this one. So they're very similar, but they're very different. So hopefully I will be able to get a picture of the two of us rocking it. Yeah, I like this hat. I saw my girl Stacy. She is bougie and sarcastic on YouTube and Instagram. I saw her with it first, and I was like, man, I want it. And then I saw the denim one in the store, and I liked it, but I thought, my Gucci bags are the original GG print, and I don't think that blue hat would go well. And I don't have, I have enough blue stuff. I'm starting to swallow that fact that I have enough blue items. So I chose this instead, and it's beautiful. So once I knock the little wrinkles out and, pull it together, I will try it on and hopefully show you guys on Instagram some photos. I love it. I think it's just awesome. And I think it's such a good match with the sneakers. Well, I think this is my husband's, but still. I think this, the hat, the bag, and the sneakers will be, not overloading, but just enough. Just enough. So I hope you enjoyed my unboxing. Sorry it's been a minute. Thank you for your time. Be kind to yourself and be kind to someone else. I missed you guys. Aloha.